There is something new came out regarding the Galaxy Z Flip 5, and it is from trusted sources. Samsung find a solution to a bespoke edition of Galaxy Z Flip 5, and we have some exciting new colors for the Flip 5, and there is a way you can make your own bespoke edition on Flip 5. Galaxy Z Flip 5 will going to come with 8 colors in total. As per Ross Young, Samsung is going out with the new color options on the Flip 5, where we will going to get blue, green, phantom, and yellow, and 4 other color options are beige, gray, light green, and light pink. So in total, 8 color options for the Flip 5. Now it's happening, but what about the bespoke edition? Because with that, we can get a couple of more color options. But as Flip 5 is getting a bigger outer display, it is expected that one half of the phone will be all black and the other half of the phone will come with color. That way, no bespoke edition for this year Flip 5. So how can you make one for you? Surprisingly, Galaxy Z Flip 5 cases are out and we have some information on it. There are a couple of color options you can choose from, and you can get 2 cases and make your own bespoke edition on Flip 5. Well, these cases also confirm that we are going to get a folder design cover display on the Flip 5, which most of you guys don't like. This could possibly be the reason for Samsung to black all the area around the cover display, so you cannot actually see the folder design until it lights up, which looks much better compared to a colored option. There's one hands-on video of Galaxy Z Flip 5 case which confirms a couple of things. First, the fingerprint scanner is on the right side, and this new case is a hard case instead of a soft silicone case. The camera layout is changed to match the design of outer display. Well, what about the cameras of Galaxy Z Flip 5? Are we going to get any update? Unfortunately, no. Galaxy Z Flip 5 will going to come with 12MP main shooter and 12MP ultra wide, but the sensor will be new, and with the new better software optimization, we can see a better quality out of the Galaxy Z Flip 5 cameras. But don't take it if you need a best camera phone, because it is clearly not. I was most concerned about the outer display durability because on Flip 4 it was much smaller display. Now on Flip 5 it is big enough where you can put a glass protector on. And luckily, just before the launch we have the official glass protector of the Galaxy Z Flip 5, which shows the same folder design. Although Flip 5 will going to come with Victus 2 on our display, which is more durable than the Victus Plus, but added protection is always welcome. For those who don't know, Galaxy Z Flip 5 outer display will be 3.4 inches, which is really big compared to Flip 4 1.9 inches, and we are going to get a 6.7 inches inner display. Also, by getting a new hinge design, the crease on inner display will be reduced, which we all wanted in the Flip 4. Samsung is launching the next foldable lineup earlier than expected. Samsung won't distance the launch from upcoming Apple event, so Samsung is going out with the Flip 5 in the last week of July, and the expected date is 26th of July. Phones will be available in the market between 7th to 11th of August, and you can pre-order the day it will launch. Performance is no concern as Galaxy Z Flip 5 already beat the Galaxy S23 Ultra, but you can check in this video and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you next time. Until then, peace out.